This machine, model number TSC 120FKE 0A1J. This model 10TR 380 3-phase. This one we adjust RPM, blower motor speed. Now see, here is the parameter to how to set. Now check the ampere, 1.45. So first we check how many RPM they set. See this one, menu, and this one negative and positive, or increase or decrease. See this one need to hold 1, 2, 3, H1. After this H1 again press. Now this is 5000 RPM set. Now we can increase and decrease from here. See, suppose we need 4000. Now I set 4000, then again this one 5000, still not set. Now we check. Now see, now the ampere is before 1.4, now 0.9 ampere. So again we check how much is set now. Again menu, H1, see this 4000. Now I change again value, before 5000, now again we set 5000. This video make for just to show how to set RPM, increase and decrease by this one. $78, $79, $71, $50, $40, $30, $20, 4, 3, 2, 1, 4800. This 63, 61, 60, 59, 58, 57, 30. Need some patience to set this one. $65, $66, $67, $68, $75, $86, $93, $94, $95, $96, $97, $98, $99, $5,000. So after 5,000 set this one, set lock. Now we check the ampere. See, now change the ampere, 1.45. So again we check how much it is. 1, 2, 3, 1. H1 5000. See, now 5000. We have to go back. Just leave it. It will go automatically. escape automatic after some time. See, now ampere 1.45. This inverter motor, this one 3 fuse for the 3 phase, and board. Without board it will not work. Also there is a parameter, same provided in the machine.